In today's video, I'll show you how to share any Smartsheet, whether it's a sheet, report, or dashboard, without requiring the viewer to log in. If you need quick access for clients, partners, or anyone outside your team, this method makes sharing effortless. Start by heading to your Smartsheet home or workspace and open the exact file you want to share. With it open, go to the top menu, click File, and then select Publish. This is the feature that allows public, no logging access. A window will appear showing different link options based on the type of item you're sharing. For sheets, you can publish a view-only link, an editable link, or even a calendar view. Dashboards and reports can only be shared as view-only. Decide how much access you want the viewer to have, then toggle the option on. Once publishing is enabled, click Get Link or Copy Link. This generates a public URL that anyone can open instantly. No Smartsheet account, no login required. Now simply share that link however you prefer, email, message, or drop it into a document. As long as publishing stays enabled, anyone with the link can view the file, and that's it. You've just learned the fastest and simplest way to share a Smartsheet without requiring any login, perfect for quick reviews, external collaboration, or one-time access.